Hello students, I am back with a new video. I am Komal Jain and I'll be taking maths for you all. Let us introduce a new topic from your exercise, that is 2.4, and the concept is division of fraction. Last time we have discussed multiplication of fraction. In this video we are going to discuss about division of fraction. When you hear division, what do you think what might be the division process? I'll tell you an easy example here. If I just want to take, there is a strip of medicine, okay, six medicine in each. If you have seen your medicine strip, there if I have a six medicines and I have to divide into two strips. So if I want to just divide it, how many strips I would like to get? One, two, three strips. That's what your example on the screen is given in the test book. So here is nothing but division process coming to picture. This is a normal division what we are seeing of whole number. What about fraction? What about fraction we are going to understand through the concept of division of fraction. Let us go with the next one here. Now, very simple thing is if I want to divide 1 divided like 1, I have to divide into half. It's very simple. If I take one big circle here, I take a big circle and that one circle I'm going to divide into half. So this becomes your half and your half. That's what a very simple thing is. You need to understand what kind of fraction and how to divide it. Very simple thing. One more example I would like to take is if you just see here example children, that is 3 divided by 1 by 4. So if I take 3 circles, okay, as it is given here, there is a 3 circles if you take, okay, and you're going to divide 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So how many you're going to get here? If you find here it is 4, here it is 4 parts and here it is 4 parts, and when you add it, you're going to get what? 12 parts. This is pictorial solution what we see. If I go by math method, what I'm going to divide is uh, yeah, 3 divided by 1 by 4. What I'm going to do, my first step is I'm going to find the reciprocal for this. What is reciprocal is you're going to interchange the numerator and denominator. Okay. So if I just change that, interchange that fraction, the division sign also changes and it swaps with your multiplication sign. And anything, if you just see further, anything is nothing we divided by 1 and numerator to numerator into numerator is what? The multiplication of fraction already you know, that is your 12. This is what maths method we do. I hope you have understood with this simple example as well as math method and pictorial method. Let us go with the next one then. Reciprocal of a fraction, as I told you children, very easy it is to find a reciprocal. Just you need to invert, or you can say the change the numerator and the denominator. That's what a reciprocal process is. If it is 2 by 1, the reciprocal of 2 by 1 is what? It is 1 by 2. Yes. So here if you just see, there is various reciprocal we have found out here in the table, that is 7. What is the 7 reciprocal? That is 1 by 7. When you cancel, you will get ultimately the answer will be 1. Okay. So here you can just think over now this 1 by 9 into 9. So 9 and 9 will get cancelled. What is the answer? 1. So reciprocal here, what I would like to say is if you are dividing a number with this reciprocal, you should get answer as 1. So that is what here it is written here. If you just see the statement here, let it we will just see by marking here. So if you just see non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1. So similarly they have given example of 5 by 9 and its reciprocal is 9 by 5. If I cancel both the sides, what other answer will be remaining as 1. So I hope this concept is clear to you all. Okay. We'll go with the next one again. The same thing. 3 into reciprocal of 1 by 4 is nothing but what? 4 by 1. And that is what your answer we have found out. That is 12. Okay. Yeah. I will go with the next one then. Same thing. If any division process you want to continue with children. I'll take this first example here. That is 7 divided by 2 by 5. What is my next step? I'm going to find the reciprocal for this. Only you have to find the reciprocal of this side only, children. That is your right hand side fraction. Keep in mind, you are going to just change right hand side fraction and you're going to convert it into reciprocal form. And reciprocal is nothing but interchanging the numerator to the denominator and denominator to numerator. If I want to go with the process again, next one. So 7 remain as it is. Keep sign changes, that is change, that is it division become multiplication, and it was 2 by 5, so flip. So after flipping you will get what? 5 by 2. So if you just see the answer, it is 35 by 2. And if it is if you think it is cancelable, or it can be taken into the lowest term, then you again answer when you just cancel. Suppose it's 8, and if you want to get cancelled here, so 4 into 5 is nothing but 20 again. So it depends on your fraction. When I take this example here, children, that is mixed fraction. Again, the same process. You have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, and then you're going to go for the division process, what we have discussed. That is finding the reciprocal of your right hand side of the fraction, that is this particular. We'll just understand one by one. Before that, I would like to show a video, very interesting video, where you will understand this process through a song. Hope you'll enjoy this video.
To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide 1/2 by 1/6. Keep, change, flip. 1 times 6 is 6, and 2 times 1 is 2. It's an improper fraction, so we're not through. Divide 6 by 2, and the quotient is 3. Keep, change, flip. It's all that you need to divide by a fraction. Here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide 2/5 by 1/5. Keep, change, flip. 2 times 5 is 10, 5 times 1 is 5. It's an improper fraction, so you need to divide. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. When we
So
divide
it
by
is showing both
fractions, this is
children,
what
that is
we do.
pictorial as
To
well as
divide by a
mathematical.
fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip.
So keep, change, flip, you have to keep in mind when you're going for
Keep,
division
change,
process.
flip may seem to work magically, but it can be explained mathematically. With the number 10, we can divide by 2, and that will leave 5 in each group. Or we can find that 5 through a different path by multiplying 10 by 2 flipped to 1/2. It's the trick that never fails, called keep, change, flip. It's real magic, so use this tip.
We understand with these problems we love, because we know division means has how many groups of.
So half is again divided into 1 by
Let's
2 1 by
explore
2.
that thought. How many groups of fourths does 1/2 got? 2/4 fit into 1/2 perfectly, and we found the quotient mentally. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction is a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction is a tip. Keep, change, flip.
I hope you enjoyed this video. So we'll go with the next one now. We'll just go through one simple example that is given here. I would like to go with this one. Here, if you can just see. Here it is given as 6 divided by 5 1 by 3. What you can do is, first you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How do I do it? It is already shown in through the video, that is into, this will be addition. So 5 into 3 plus 1 divided by your denominator is 3. So your 15, that is 5 3s are 15, and 15 plus 1 is 16, and 16 divided by 3. So what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to just write that particular mixed fraction into your improper fraction as to continue with the division process. Okay, so how do I write it? Very simple. I'm going to write that particular improper fraction what I got. Now what is my, as per you have seen in the song, keep 6 you're going to keep as it is, change, you have to change the sign, you have to change the sign here, okay. Instead of division you're going to write as multiplication. And flip, what you're going to flip here, you're going to flip 16 to the denominator and 3 to the numerator, that is your reciprocal. So how you're going to write it, you're going to write it very simple, that is 3 will come first and 16 will go down. So let me write it once again, 6 into 3 divided by 16. So if you take into the lowest term, you can just see here, we can cancel it. That is 2 3s are, 2 8s are. And when I just want to multiply here, 3 into 3 is nothing but 9. Divided by what is remaining in the denominator is 8. So your answer is 9 by 8. I hope you have understood with the simple trick how to follow to solve the division process and the division based sums, division of fraction. Again we'll see few examples here. If you just see, now both are fraction in this first one example here. Let me just show you. Now this is the both example. So what is our 3 steps? What we are going to follow? Keep, change and flip. So what I'm going to keep in this is, if you just see carefully, I'm going to keep my 3 by 5 as it is. I'm going to change the sign, that is division into multiplication. Yes, and I'm going to flip what? If it is 1 by 2, I have to find the reciprocal of 1 by 2, that is 2 by 1. That is what you're going to find. And let me just clearly write it. 2 by 1. And what is the multiplication of fraction? As I told you, numerator into numerator will give you 6. 5 ones is equals to 5. 6 by 5 is your answer. So I hope you have understood. I have done. Don't follow while solving. Keep in mind you write step by step and you have to write keep, change, flip process here. Keep, you're going to keep the number as it is. Why it is you are swapping the sign, that is by division process to multiplication process. How you are swapping and what is the process to swap is, you have to just see that you are just taking reciprocal of your right hand side of the fraction. Keep in mind children, because many people make mistakes in this process. I hope this is clear to you all and I hope you will solve exercise 2.4 easily. Let us just have a glimpse of your exercise so that you will not face any problem. Okay. Now if you just see the first one here, let me explain to you all. Okay, if you just see the same process what we have done in the first one, the same thing. Keep, change, flip and you're going to find the answer. In the second main, if you read the question, find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction. Classify the reciprocals as proper fraction, improper fraction and whole number. See, definitely if you find, I'll take one example here. If it is 3 by 7, if it is a reciprocal, if I want to find the reciprocal for 3 by 7, what I'm going to write here is 7 by 3. Now you have to classify whether 7 by 3 is proper, improper or mixed fraction or a whole number. So if you just see the numerator is more than denominator, so I classify this type of fraction as improper fraction. So you are going to write like this with the justification. I hope you have understood this one. One more example I would like to take here is, suppose if I am taking the sixth one, that is 1 by 8. Okay, so if I find a reciprocal of 1 by 8, it becomes 8 by 1. Anything divided by 1, the answer will remain same. So I will tell it as 8 and 8 is a whole number. 8 is a whole number. So I hope you have understood with this particular examples what we have taken and you will solve the exercise comfortably. Now if I want to go with the third one part here, if you just see, let me zoom for you. Okay, so the same process, keep, change and flip. If it is only just 2 here, if you just see, it is just 2 here. If I want to keep, change And flip means if it is 2, it becomes 1 by 2. That is reciprocal of 2 is what? 1 by 2. And when I'm going to multiply 7 ones are 7 divided by 3 twos are 6. This is what your answer is. So I hope you have understood with the whole number in this process, and particularly I would like to just give you a hint about this sum. Convert this into improper fraction and then go for division process. Keep, change, flip. That is, you're going to find the reciprocal of your right hand side number, that is 7. Okay, fine. The fourth one also the same thing. I don't feel you will find any difficulty. Please do let me just know if you have any doubt regarding today's concept. I hope it is clear to you all. Meet you next class, and I'm waiting for your homework. Submit it early. Not many people are turning up. I don't know why students, what is the problem. If you have any difficulty watching the video, or if you're not understanding any of the thing, please do message us, and you can in person message me also to understand a particular specific sum. Thank you.